Welcome back to O2 Villages. I wanted to share this piece that I created because I love dinosaurs. So I used a Department 56 piece to ground my ideas, and the piece is the Department 56 Totem Town Souvenir Shop that you see here. And this a piece that you would find somewhere in Alaska in the Pacific Coast. And I thought it would be cool to add dinosaurs to this piece, some Halloween lights, some pumpkins, to really create an atmosphere of something different. Because people must celebrate Halloween all over the country in different ways. So I wanted to do something different. The fossil dinosaurs are pieces I got at Animal Kingdom at Disney World. They also sell them at Amazon. The small dinosaur pieces with the hatching dinosaurs, I got those in Amazon as well. My favorite thing is these two little dinosaurs fighting over a pumpkin bucket. Here's a raptor. So tell me what you think. Hit like and subscribe. Say hello to Halloween and dinosaurs.